Today I'm taking a look at the triple screen laptop screen extender. So it comes with a nice little carrying bag. It's got a pouch on the front so you can carry our cables. And this is the extender. So we can see that that is spring loaded, so it's just going to clamp onto the outside of the laptop, and we got a couple of rubber bumpers there on the sides to make sure they're not going to be damaging the screen. It has a flap on the top, so that way that can rest right on your monitor. You don't have to worry about that sliding down. Decently sized displays on here. And if we close that up, we can see we got 3 ports right here. This one is labeled HDMI, and we got Type-C 1 and Type-C 2. On the other monitor, got the exact same thing. So each display has its own ports. And then in the middle on the back, we've got our kickstand. So that way, if the hinge on your laptop isn't capable of supporting all this weight, you just pop this guy out, and you can see it's got that little flag right there. So you just pull this out to the length you want, and you can fold that in, and that will hold that in place. Comes with a quick start guide. We got 2 USB-C to USB-C cables. The thing I like about these is it's got a straight and it's got an angle. So this can plug into the monitor, and then you can plug this into the side of the laptop. You don't have to worry about that cable going straight out into where you'll be using your mouse. If the USB-C ports on the laptop are capable of outputting video, then this is all you will need, because this will be enough to supply power as well as a video signal to those displays. We also have a USB-C to HDMI. So if your laptop only has an HDMI port, you can still use this to connect to your laptop. And then we got 2 USB-C to USB-A cables, so you can use these to send power to those displays. So this laptop uses Thunderbolt 3, so I'm just going to use a single USB-C cable to connect each display, and I will be plugging into Type-C 1. So some laptops have stronger hinges than others, so I'm just going to see if this laptop can hold it up. And yes, it can. So I don't even have to use the top support. Literally, the clamping force itself is enough to hold everything in place. So plug in the right and plug in the left. Okay, that is pretty slick. So yeah, it's an excellent setup. I can edit my videos here, I can watch some videos here, I can do some research over here. Once you go dual display, it is hard to ever go back, but having a third display just adds that much more. So yeah, that is a very nice extender.